That's all I want in my life, for real now. I know that I'll be alright. That's all I need in my world. I won't look back any longer now.
Man, I feel like the walls are closing in. I'm in the club with my bros, same hoes again. Same shit, different pile, find it difficult to smile. It's been with me for a while, the same negative energy. Same friends pretend to be my friends when they're my enemies. Plus lately I don't really like the vibe my girl's sending me. It's eating me up alive, it's beating me up inside, it's keeping me up at night. In the future you might see me acting different, searching for something that's spiritually uplifting. Cause I don't want my mom to be ashamed of her last name. I'm lost and I'm on the wrong path in the fast lane, on the road to going nowhere fast. Plus I'm going slow so I'm going there last. And it's a dead end, I'm headed for a brick wall. I'm telling you I'm tired, man, I'm sick of all this shit, y'all.
That's all I want in my life, for real now. I know that I'll be alright. That's all I need in my world. I won't look back any longer now.
Slow down, to the point I'm chilling, man. I've done things in the past that lately got me feeling bad. So am I going to heaven just because I pray to God in my favorite number 7? Can't say I feel too good about the day I get judged, although I know that He's forgiven and He doesn't hold a grudge. But when I see my life flash before my eyes, that's probably the day I'll finally be able to cry. It's time for me to self-reflect. Man, I'm talking about some self-respect. I gotta remind myself, cause I'll forget. Cause I have such a great time with alcohol and sex. It revolves around power, 3 girls in the shower, spending money like wow. Want it all right now, slow down, man, how? I'ma have to learn, otherwise I'm gonna crash and burn. Man, I'm talking about
that's all I want in my life, for real now. I know that I'll be alright. That's all I need in my world. I won't look back any longer now.
my girl finally up and left. I guess she had enough of the tough guy act. This time I'm not gonna hold my breath. I'll keep it open, but it's such a rough ride back. I have to let her go, man, and swallow my pride, even though I feel so hollow inside. Cause as Matt gets older, my heart gets colder. Misguided angel, devil on my shoulder. Afraid of being normal, dressing semi-formal. She wants to conform, you don't say I didn't warn you. But she's my sunshine and comfort, my whole heart. She called it off, now she's gone, this is so hard. I thought I wanted to be free, but I'm the guy that just got dumped. I don't want it to be me, but even though it hurts, I'm trying not to hate. Cause as soon as she took me back, I'd be trying to find an escape off.
That's all I want.